Here we go, the pizza. Ma, Loris, oh, hello guys from my... Please, cook this pizza, tieni. Hello from my street Iacopelli, welcome back to my channel. Come this side a little bit, come this side, this side. Today is going to be crazy, like the title says. I'm going to show you everything A to Z, how I did the biggest event of my life. This is insane. Right now we just started, but you need to watch until the end to support the channel. Guys, I've been out for a little bit for a big reason, unfortunately, but everything is good, everything is fine. I'm back more stronger than before. I made this video just for you, to show you what's behind a pizza catering. We made 1,000 pizzas. It was insane. I can't wait your comments below to see what you think after all this insane job. Go ahead guys, sit down, watch it to the end, and make sure to share. It's totally free. So I'll see you 3 days before. Hello guys. So everything starts from today. It's Friday. And it's morning, so we are preparing 3 days in advance. Sunday is the event, but also I'm working on the opening this place today and tomorrow. So this is the dough, like you can see. I'm already preparing the first batch of dough. So I'm gonna go ahead and block this dough in the fridge right away. So come with me because we're gonna make 10 times this batch of dough. So let's go, come with me and let's make the dough. The first thing to do to make the dough is we have to dump the whole Polish in the mixer. Then we go ahead and we grab the water. Make sure to use filtered water and super cold water. Voila, so we have the first 8 liters. So then grab the 5 liters, put it on the scale, there. We're gonna do 35 grams, but because we're working outside and it's hot, we wanted to have the dough to grow slowly. So I usually put 35 grams per liter of water. Today, I'm gonna go ahead and do 40 grams times 15 liters of water total. So we need 600 grams of salt. Here we go. Let's get the flour now. I'm using the whole bag. The reason why is because yesterday we made the Polish with 2 kilos of flour. So we made 2 liters of water, 2 kilos of flour. And that's the easy way to do it. Done. I'm using a Mulino Piantoni, which is really good. Also easy to find in the United States. So let's go ahead, close the mixer, speed really, really slow, and then let it go until it's all together. If you see that it's dry, go ahead and add half amount of this water, but always keep in mind, save half amount, at least save 2 liters of water for the really end of the dough. Done. So now we just want to wait that the dough gets together, and then we're gonna add this water little by little until it gets, the dough absorbs all the water. So usually it takes about 25 minutes. So let's wait that the dough is ready, and then we go to the second step.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, here we go. The dough is ready. Boom. Let's take it out. Let's check it out. So we give it a little touch, and the dough, it looks good. So now, olive oil on top of counter. Make sure you have olive oil in your hands. And with a knife, grab a piece, and piece by piece, we go ahead and we put the dough on top of the counter. Just like that. So this is gonna be an hard work, but we're gonna make it happen. Okay, so now that is on top of the counter, look what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and like close it, try to flip it over. Now we're gonna go ahead and create a ball. Okay. And now we go ahead, we put olive oil on top. This way it doesn't dry out. Olive oil on top. Here we go. So now we're gonna go ahead and make, I made a 1, 2, and we're gonna make another 5, 6, 7, another 8. But because we don't have enough boxes, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in those containers. I'll see you in about 20 minutes, the time that gets flat a little bit, and then we're ready to make the balls. Okay, like you can see, did you see the dough was flattened out? So now we go ahead and we grab the spatula, the most important tool, and then we go ahead and we start to cut the dough. Then we're gonna go ahead and make the balls, 280 grams dough balls. So I'm gonna go ahead and start to make the balls. I don't wanna keep you here all day, so I'll see you when I finish this. Let's put some time lapse up. Let's go. Okay, done guys. We made the dough balls. We made all of these in about 10 minutes. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start the others. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna bring you with me. I wanna show you something. Something nice that I'm building just in purpose for this event. Come with me, I wanna show you something. Let's go. Okay, guys, come with me. So I wanna show you what I'm building just in purpose. This is like a little office of my father. And I want to show you what I'm building just for this event. Look at this. This is everything homemade. This is gonna be the table. There's the table there, wood table, homemade. And also this is the ciao Vanni. And this is the part that goes in front of the table. Look at this. This is everything handmade. This is another project of mine. So follow me for more and subscribe. And that's the beast. There's the hot dogs, burger. And guys, so what can I say? This is gonna be ready in a few days. Maybe if I can put some work that I'm doing over these days, we'll see, because I'm still gonna finish it. And I can't wait to show you this amazing setup that I'm building for this. Stay tuned and let's go back to the pizzeria because more is coming. Okay guys, here we go. Good morning. Last night was so crazy. It's Saturday and today is gonna be a long day. Yesterday I was too tired to shoot. Today we're gonna do more dough, but I wanna show you what we're doing here because we're gonna get ready with everything to bring to the event. So this is the table that I just finished. And oh, one thing really important, what I just noticed, my sister just told me that we are missing one permit. So we might get the police to come and shut us down. So hopefully this doesn't happen, mostly for the video, to be honest, because I want to shoot everything, right Zacy? So we're gonna go Italian style. Welcome to Italy, guys. Made everything to be able to bring it with us in a comfortable way. Bye. Those are the other things that we do. I'm building a huge thing for caterings. This is how it's gonna be, but I'm gonna show you this when we get to the event. This is the table. The pizza sign, the table stands, we got the wood inside. Well, what else? Oh, I got something nice that I'm gonna build right now. We got the pizza peel from G Metal, always with me. So we are basically setting everything up here right now to be able to know what we have, because the event is gonna be far. I wanna make sure I have everything. Then after this, run to the pizza place and make more prep. So I'll see you in a little bit. And voila guys, I just start everything again. Come with me, come with me. We are still prepping for the catering tomorrow. Come here. This is the dough, how it looks like. And this is number 5. So we have the full fridge. We are prepping more to put it there. This is the dough that we made yesterday. We put it in the fridge, the dough is completely ready, is perfect for the first batch of pizzas. So I'm gonna go ahead and make more. In the meantime, I'm gonna see if I can shoot some videos of the pizzas. Meantime, I jump here to work because I'm gonna work. This is for the table, voila. Vai Davide. We always check if the pizza is soft and crunchy. This one goes here. Olio, su di me. Chi l'ha fatto questo? I wanna taste this. rice, potato, and mussels. Not only pizzas. Pizza is an experience, not just pizza. Quick check. I asked to have the cheese a little bit more harder. So what we do, we give a little taste, because if it's not good, I'm gonna send it back. Quality. And good morning, guys. Today it's Sunday. I want to show you Sunday, June 1st, and is the day of the event. So let's go ahead. What I did here, it was a little list to be able to see what we have, what we don't have. So we need to be sure that everything is on the list. Okay, so we just check. So let's go ahead and let's give a little check of. Lord is still prepping here. Let's check out. Look at this. It's perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead, upload everything in the car, and then come with me, and we are going to get the oven. Let's go. And you saw the old time lapse. The dough is coming. The dough is coming. Guys, we had to start a little bit late, 6:50. We're supposed to start at 5, but nobody was here, so we had to we took our time. Check out the dough. This is the dough, how it looks like. This is the one that we made Friday. And now, guys, we fire up the oven. Let's see the oven first. The oven. We're gonna show you in a little bit how to clean up the pizza oven. We can show the setup. So let me show you the setup. Now I hope that you saw the setup. Now let's get ready, let's clean up the oven, let's put the jacket and let's start to work. Let me show you how the pizza looks like, the most important part of the video. So I'm gonna bring you with this camera inside the oven, boom. And of course, guys, I have my kit of G-Metal as always with me. This is for the smallest pizzas, and that's for the regular pizza, and that's to take it out. But for this clean up the oven, we are using a peel that is not really important. First of all, you have to have something like this, which is really important. Now we grab the wood, the big one, and we put it on top, just like that. See, the flame goes around and around. Then we grab old ash, hot, and we put it on the side. Okay, now we grab a wet towel. This is just for the oven, so that's why it's dark. It's not doughy, it's just for the oven. Then it's wet. Make sure you put it in like that. Now we go and from the side, and then we go like that. Everything is set to make the pizzas, but before I make the first pizza of the day to check the dough if it's good or not before we open everything, get a piece of wood and put it on the side. I'm excited. Every time I make the first pizza, I'm way super excited. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna make. So this dough is a little difficult to work. Today was really hot. We're talking about maybe it was 90 a couple of times in the flour. We need a lot of flour here. Then we press. Take off the flour now. Just a couple of times. You want to keep the pizza really small when it's so soft like that. Pop those bubbles. Put the Parmesan cheese, fresh basil, boom, boom, fresh mozzarella. Voila. Now olive oil, on top of the basil, pinch it, pizza on top. Here we go. So now go ahead and finish up to cook the pizza. Here we go, guys, the pizza. 3, 2, 1, give a little smoke, flavor, and boom, voila, the pizza is lovely ready. We just go ahead and finish up the olive oil on the crust, olive oil on the pizza, and then we grab some fresh leaf just to give it a nice, good looking pizza. I present you the pizza by Soft and Crunchy on the road. Let's check if it's soft and crunchy. Ooh, it's soft and crunchy. How was that? Good? Perfect. Let's check out the inside. This is how the inside looks like. Insane. Grab a piece, vai. Sì, vai, prendi. Sì, ha venuto, vai. Let's taste how it is. Tastes amazing. And boom, voila, guys, the pizza is ready. And this is how we roll. So let's continue. Now we finish up this pizza with honey on top. Here we go. Hey guys, while we're making pizza, we have a special guest here. Ready to order some pizza? Let's make a pizza for Bumblebee. Pizza. Now for this special light, guys.
A few moments later.
Guys, I don't know if you saw the time lapse, but we made so many pizzas. Show, falli vedere. Everything empty, empty, empty. Tomorrow we are back here. I don't know if I can make the video again. I mean, how many pizzas we made today? 750? Yeah. 750, 800 is basically already Monday. So it's off. Che ore sono? 1 o'clock in the morning, and we finish this amazing experience. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And we're gonna go ahead. It's not over yet. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up everything here. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you at the next one. Ciao.